Hey guys, today we're going to change the heater core bypass valve on this 2004 Ford Expedition with the 5.4 V8. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the algorithm? Really helps out a lot. We're under here on the passenger side. You get a 19mm socket, and right there is your radiator drain valve. I've got a piece of hose slipped over here. I believe this was 3/8 inch diameter inside. We're just going to open this valve and drain some coolant out. You can remove your cap from your reservoir here to help it drain a little faster. When you open this up, that valve also leaks a little bit, so you might want a little bit of a catch pan down here or something. While that's draining, you can remove this cover right here. It's two 10mm bolts on the side, and then a couple of pop sockets over here, so just pop it right up. You don't need to drain all of your coolant out. I just drained it so that the reservoir is very empty, because we are taking out this line right here, and so if there's coolant below this line, it won't really matter. Right here's the bypass valve. Take this vacuum line off. Then we're going to take a pair of pliers here and pull this hose clamp right here back. And we've got another hose clamp on the back side here. I found that I can rotate this around, and it gives me a little better access to that hose clamp right there. Got a new heater valve here. I will have this linked below where you can get this online. You can see the arrow here pointing the direction that the flow should go. So this is going to be mounted right back in there like our other one. So we're just going to kind of twist and pull and get this to pop out. There we go. So you can see when this actuator valve is actuated, it shuts the valve here. Mine was cracked right down here and leaking. So now we're going to take our new bypass valve here and just take it and kind of push and twist until we get it all the way on there. We're just going to put our hose clamp back up there tight, twist it back down, and then we'll put our hose back on here and put that hose clamp back on there. Reattach your vacuum line and you're pretty much done, minus filling up your coolant. Make sure you torque back down your drain valve down there. That's pretty much it. It's a pretty simple job. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.